So generally speaking, if he's looking that way, I'm going to put some space there. So I'm just going to start painting. You know, Van Gogh said that there's nothing more intimidating than a white canvas. So you have to attack it and not feel anything intimidated by it at all. Another thing about composition is I want to have different exit points. So this is pretty big. This is the same as this. So I want to change that right before I even begin. Because if I don't have a good composition, then I got nothing. What I'm going to do is I don't want to paint his head any bigger than life. I want to paint it slightly less than life size. Unless I want to do a very large canvas, like a, Chuck Close kind of a thing. I'm generally speaking want to make sure that. All right. So what am I doing right now? This may look like a sort of a formless blob, but if you were looking at it from my perspective, it looks like it's already Del Cho. Now, how can possibly a blob like that look like Del Cho? Because it's basically the shape of his head. What is the shape of his head? It's a series of lines called an envelope. So this general mass is called a gesture, and all forms have a gesture, a blob, but not just any blob, a blob that is unique to this person. And how are we going to make this blob more unique to Del Cho? I'm going to come in and I'm going to put in some envelopic lines. Those are straight lines that contain the entire head, including hair and whatever hair there might be. So there's short hair, distance there. So you see what I'm doing? I'm checking these distances so that they're, obviously that one's pretty big. All right, so I've got a little bit of medium. By the way, my medium is linseed oil and turpentine. And I'm going to already just mass in this, make this distinction between light and shadow. I don't believe in working into a painting to get to the right value. I'm going to start off with the right values and I'm doing this simultaneously as I'm doing this other thing called the envelope. So there's this point, goes here.